Okay, folks. So for my 3,000 subscriber special, how about a train horn compilation? That sounds like a great idea, doesn't it? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, you don't think it's a great idea? Oh, okay. I thought it was great. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, so you think it is a great idea? Ooh, ooh. Well, buddy, you've come to the right place. And that's exactly what I frickin' thought. Yes, folks, that's right. Today, for my 3,000 subscriber special, we are going to be doing my very first official train horn compilation. I have heard so many freaking horns at this point. I'm surprised I'm not deaf yet. Oh, wait, I am deaf. Oh, wait a minute. No, I'm not deaf. Because I could hear what is going on around me. So, yeah, before we get into the train horn compilation, we do have a couple of shout outs to do here. Shout out to Baltimore and Ohio, RR, CSX, EMD Railfan, Dalton Shekels, Trainzilla, Railfan _ Andrew, 1123, aka Andrew Linton, Capital Trains Maryland, Ben Cofield, and last but not least, well, he should be first, but last but not least, Rails and Aviation Videography, aka Edwin Sims. And we also got one more person after that. This is on last request, but he's going to get a shout out. Caleb Chesgreen. I'm sorry, man, if I'm mentioning name wrong. Caleb Chesgreen, I'm going to go with. That's, yeah. Shout out to those people. They are my channel supporters. Thank you very much. And without you guys, this channel would not be where it is today. So, without a further ado, let's get into that train horn compilation. Oh man. Yeah, this was definitely a fun one to make. Yeah, yeah, I had a lot of fun making this video. Yeah, again, thank you very, very, very much for 3,000 subscribers. Again, you guys are amazing. And, yeah, without all you guys, this wouldn't be possible. So, yeah, again, I had a lot of fun putting these train horns together and making it look funny and all that good jazz. It was a great thing. I've really enjoyed making this video. But yeah, until next time, I guess we'll see you guys next time. And I'll see you guys down the line and trackside. And again, thank you very, very much for 3,000 subscribers.